Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Uncharted 4 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable aim or target assist within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uncharted 4 game on your device, and after you've been taken into the main menu, click on the Options button. Now within Options, just click on Accessibility, and now you can change various different options within the game. If you wish to change your aim mode, then you can do this from the aim mode option. And right underneath this, you will see the lock on aim button. If you turn this on, then while you are aiming, your crosshair will automatically lock on to the closest target from the center of your screen. It is recommended that you turn it on if you're playing the game for the first time, or if you find it a bit difficult to use your joystick while aiming. After choosing your desired lock on aim mode, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. If at any point you wish to turn them off or change your setting at any point in time, then you can go back to the same accessibility page to make your desired changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable aim assist on the Uncharted 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.